Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries placement. So, this is your love reading hanggang end ng October. Okay, so yeah, syempre, the person on your mind. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, if you're interested pagdating sa ating mga private reading, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating mga protection from evil eyes, okay? And yung ating granter and dun sa ating new item for cleansing, yeah, just message me. And if you're interested rin na magpa-reading or yeah, magpa-book kay Perception of Light, so message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And if you're looking for a healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So yeah, so again, let's start your reading, Aries. Okay, so Aries placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Ano bang meron? Who is the person on your mind? Okay, the person on your mind, Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging outcome. Okay? Bago mag-end ang October. Anong outcome nyo? Tingnan natin. So, the person on your mind, anong meron dyan? Okay, the Empress in reversed. Okay. Why is that? Napaka-general nung nakikita ko rito. Anong meron sa Empress in reversed? Ay, buhay. Okay, so pwedeng Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Meron din ditong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the World in reverse. Some of you, may anak kayo nitong taong to. Okay, hindi lahat, pero some of you, may chance na meron kayong anak. Okay, nandoon rin yung iniwan ka. Iniwanan ka ng responsibilidad. Okay, may mga ganyan. That's so specific. Okay, pero yeah, in general, meron ditong something na binigyan ka ng trauma ng taong to. Okay, andun yung sabihin natin parang walang nag-grow. Okay, andun yung immaturity ng taong to. Yeah. Some of them, nandun yung parang mas nakokontrol siya ng nanay or tatay niya. Okay, may takot pa rin. I don't know, parang nakaka-apekto rito is nanay or tatay or something like a third party. Okay, palawakin natin yung third party energy. Okay, so third party for me is something or someone na nakakaapekto sa union or sa samahan ninyo nung person na to. Okay, so the Six of Chalices, I think, yeah, in reverse, this is a past person's energy, or sabihin natin wala kayong connection nito sa ngayon. Okay, so yeah, you have this unfinished business sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Marami kang gustong malaman, marami kang gustong itanong na pwedeng hindi nasasagot ng taong to. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita. Let's see, ano pa yung ibang meron pagdating sa situation. Okay? Anong situation nyo pa, Aries, nitong taong to? Okay, the Five of Swords. There's too many conflict. Okay, conflicts in general. What's with that? Five of Swords. There's this, sabihin natin, mind games, head games. Okay? Yeah, oh, the Knight of Wands. This person is a player. Yeah. Literal na player to. Okay? Pinapakita rin dito. Okay? So, sabihin natin sa sitwasyon, hinahanap dito kung paano magagawa ng solusyon kung ano man yung inyo, kanya-kanyang mga issue. Pero ang nakikita ko rito, someone is too afraid to step up. Okay? Someone is too afraid, or maybe someone is like planning, pero hanggang planning lang. Okay? So, may ganon. Yeah. So, may chance na, yeah, magpaplano, pero sabihin natin, kulang pagdating sa pag-action. Okay? So, situation, there's no, sabihin nating direction. Okay, there's no clear or sabihin nating magandang pinatutunguhan sa ngayon. Napakadaming issue. Okay, napakadami. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reversed. So, yung ba sa inyo, sabihin nating masyado ng obvious. Okay, yung mga tawag dyan, yung mga issue na meron, some of you kasi may chance na tinatago pa ng taong to kung naman yung meron. Okay? Iba sa inyo, sabihin natin, alam mo na yung issue, alam mo na yung mga tinatago, mga sinisikreto sa sitwasyon, pero you're still, sabihin natin, para kayo nagmamaang-maanga na wala kayong nakikita at napapansin. Okay? So, some of you, your intuition is, sabihin natin, kicking. Okay? So, yeah. Someone is so, sabihin natin, napaka-inconsistent. So, that is why hindi na-fix yung mga kailangan i-fix na issue dito. Okay? So, walang pinatutunguhan. Yeah, walang pinatutunguhan yung sitwasyon or yung connection nyo na to. Okay? Kasi, andun yung energy ng taong to na pwedeng hindi siya makadecide rin. Okay? Hindi siya makadecide. So, let's see, ano bang emosyon ito for you, Aries? What is their emotion, like current emotion for you? Deep, deep down. The King of Wands universe. Wala kang mapapala dito. Ha? Wala kang mapapala dito. The King of Wands universe. Sinamahan pa ng Knight of Wands universe. Napaka-player na itong taong to. Lahat na. Kamusta ka, Aries? Sana wala ka na talaga dito sa connection na to. Mas maganda. Okay, mas maganda. And sana hindi ka na rin umaasa dito. Wala kang inaasahan eh. Sa totoo lang. Okay, wala ka nang inaasahan dito. This is a manipulator. A liar. Okay? What's with this King of Wands universe? Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. Pababayaan ka lang nito. Okay? Aasahin. Sana hindi ka umaasa na. Yeah, mas maganda rito. Let go mo na to. Bitawan mo na. See, ang dami ditong drama. Okay, we have here Sagittarius, Pisces, Air, another Sagittarius placement. Okay. So, sabihin natin in general, wala itong pakialam sa nararamdaman mo. Wala itong pakialam sa kung anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Yun ang kanyang emosyon. Walang pakialam. Period. Okay? Sana na lang hindi ito gumawa ng next action kasi kawawa ka na naman. Yeah. Let's see ano magiging next action. Tingnan natin para maging prepared ka. Okay, kailangan nating tingnan para maging prepared ka. Maging tawag dyan, gabay itong reading, okay? Yeah, again, the world, universe. So, nandyan na naman siya. Okay? Nandyan yung pagbe-blame, nandyan yung something na pwedeng kung ano man yung issue, andan pa rin, parang pagpapatuloy pa rin, something like that. Or sabihin nating kung may mga kailangan kang kasagutan, kalinawan, hindi pa rin niya ibibigay yun. Okay? Hanggang sa end ng October. Yeah. Why? Why the world in reverse? Hindi mo mararamdaman yung kontento. Masasabing kontento ka sa sitwasyon. Okay? Why? See? The Tower. The Tower. The Tower is sabi, the King of Pentacles in reverse. This person is someone who is so sabi nating self-centered. Okay? Yeah, they're self-centered. Lahat kanya. Okay? Be careful. May chance, tingnan ko. Kasi merong energy rito ng expected. Something like unexpected na pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, pwedeng ang nakikita ko rito, meron lang itong gagawin na something. Okay, pero wala ring kwenta eh. Okay, wala ring kwenta. Magbibigay lang talaga sa'yo to ng mas maraming isipin. Mas maraming isipin. See? The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. The King of Swords in reverse. What? Grabe. The King of Swords in reverse. This is someone a narcissistic. A narcissistic. Okay? Someone who tell lies. Someone who's not a dishonest person in general. Okay? So, hindi sila magko-commit actually. Be careful, ha? Okay? If you're waiting for this person to come back, you're just wasting your time. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Focus on yourself, on your worth, value, career. Kung may anak kayo, doon ka mag-focus sa anak. Sa anak mo, sa anak nyo. Okay? May chance na may panggugulong nakikita eh. Meron ako nakikitang panggugulo. Kung hindi man ito like panggugulo talaga, ang nakikita ko kasi ang epekto sa'yo nito is maguguluhan ka. Okay? So, anong kailangan? Anong advice for you, Aries? So, yun nga, isa is focus ka sa career mo, sa anak mo, sa sarili mo. Guard yourself. Okay? Guard your energy. Protect your energy. Okay? So, let's see anong kailangan mong gawin. Anong advice for Aries placements? Anong advice for this situation? Yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse. This is decision. Okay? This is decision. Kung ito man ay gagawa ng hakbang patungo sa'yo, and alam mo naman na sabihin nating walang magandang idudulot. Okay? Gumawa ka na ng desisyon. Okay? It's up to you kung hahayaan mong papasukin tong taong to or hindi. Okay? Don't let your guard down. Please. Kung ganito, wag na nga. Okay? By the Two of Swords in reverse, this is decision. See? The Two of Pentacles. Strength. Yeah, guard. Be guarded. Pagdating sa kanya, i-guard mo yung sabihin nating energy ng pagkakaroon ng peace of mind. Nasa sayo eh. Nasa sayo kung bibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng peace of mind over this. Okay? Kung walang ginagawa itong taong to, then wala kang hinihintay. Okay? Mas magandang wala kang hinihintay, wala kang ine-expect from this person. Mapababae, mapalalaki, kung ano man ang gender. Okay? Huwag mo hayaan na parang mapending na lang yung mga ginagawa mo o yung buhay mo dahil lang dito. Okay? So, yeah. Again, the Ace of Swords in reverse. So, parang ina-advise rin na hindi mo kailangan na maging open dito sa taong to. Like, sa communication, okay? Hindi mo kailangan na ipaalam sa taong to kung anong meron sa'yo. Okay? And in general, hindi mo nga kailangan kausapin tong taong to. Cut them off. Okay? So, yun lang. Kung mag-reach out at alam mong hindi ka nakakakuha ng clarity, then wala kang inaasahan doon, cut them off. Ganun lang. Okay, masyado tayong minsan nag-expect ng something. Okay, kapag nag-expect tayo, doon bababa yung guard natin. Lalabas yung emosyon. Okay, lalabas yung galit mo. Okay, kasi lalo na kung hindi mo nga na-meet yung ine-expect mo doon sa person. Mas magandang hindi tayo mag-expect rin. Okay, mas magandang hindi na rin tayo maghintay. Kung yung iba sa kanila hindi nila kayang mag-step up dito sa situation, then paano pa sila mag-step up pagdating sa inyo, sa connection nyo? Kung hindi niya kayang dumisisyon ng kanya, diba? Meron ako nakikita rito, talagang nakokontrol pa ng magulang. Kahit may anak na kayo, nakokontrol pa rin. Ito gawin mo, ito ganyan-ganyan, mga ganon. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Aries. Okay. Okay. So, Aries, may chance, yeah. May chance na sabihin natin there's this clarity or closure, okay, na pwedeng mangyari or ibigay sa'yo ng another Aries. Excuse me. Taurus, they're passionate. Yeah, they're passionate. Pagdating sa'yo, they want to communicate, some of them. Gemini, there's this a fast communication coming in from this Gemini. Cancer, okay, may something na pwedeng i-let go itong Cancerian na to, or you have to let go of this Cancerian, or something like meron din silang mga ibibigay, something like that. Okay, so Leo, they're guarded, they're avoiding you, they're hiding from you. Okay, Virgo, okay, so meron ditong sabihin nating may chance ng karmic connection with this Virgo. Karmically tied. Libra, okay, they're waiting patiently. They're being patient. Okay, so Scorpio, they want to communicate. Some of them may chance na mag-travel papunta sa'yo, gumawa ng action in general. Sagittarius, okay, gusto nila magbigay ng focus ngayon pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, nandyan rin yung pagiging busy, okay, ng taong to. Capricorn, okay, so may nangyayari, sabihin natin nawala yung attraction with this Capricorn. Okay, nawala yung attraction. Aquarius, they want to reach out, something like meron ditong parang pinaplano. Okay, gusto nila magkaroon ng focus, meron silang gustong pag-focusan sa situation ninyo in general. Okay, so Pisces, okay, so sinasabi rito na they want to make a return. Okay, gusto nila nang bumalik or makipagbalikan, pero wala akong nakikitang energy ng sabihin nating magkakaroon ng stability or something like leveling up dito sa situation. Okay, some of them, they're stalking you right now, they're watching you right now. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.